I'm teaching myself to press the pieces as I go along through the process, a habit that I should have adopted a long time ago. It's not too late. It's never too late to learn a good thing. This is the left leg, um, and this is the pre-overlocked facing. My zipper, that zipper facing goes there. Let's turn this in over. The facing should be matching the length of the fly, and so thus the zipper could be 5, 6, or 7 inches, or could be 8. So I'm going to be attaching the facing to the part, the left leg. I'm matching the notches that I made a while ago, and I press the edge of the facing at the 1 centimeter mark, seam allowance, which will serve as my stitching guide. The left leg has a 1 centimeter seam allowance, but the right leg has a 2 centimeter seam allowance, which I will explain later. I'll explain later why that's the discrepancy. So little press here, and we're going to do the top stitching. The top stitching is 1/8 inch from the edge. It's a pretty standard measurement. I'm going to attach the zipper. The waist has a 1 centimeter seam allowance, so I'm placing the teeth, the uppermost teeth, that 1.5 centimeter from the top of the waist. So that will give me like a 1/2 centimeter clearance, so that the needle doesn't catch the metal. Yeah, it doesn't hurt to double check your measurements. I always do. Because I don't like ripping the stitches afterwards, after I make a mistake. Okay. I place the edge of the tape, zipper tape, to along the edge of the fly, like so, and like I said, I should have switched to zipper foot. Oh, don't follow my lead here. I should have done that. I think I got lazy for this one. Normally one line of stitching will do, but we're going to do a double row. Let's see what we can do without the zipper foot. Okay, raise the foot, pull up towards the top like so, and make sure that your needle is on the fabric before you do that. Well, not bad. It's okay, I guess. It's not the best double row stitching that I've done, but that should be alright. Next I will do is the J stitching, top stitching on the over the fly. It's called J stitching because it's shaped like a J. I'm marking my measurement like at a distance of 4 centimeters from the edge stitching. I used to just eyeball this stitching, top stitching, but for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to show how I would mark my stitching. This is the second row for the curve. The gap between the two rows is 1/4 inch. Pretty standard. I'm starting from the top. Again, just to make sure, I'm going to mark it with a line. This tailor chalk is, it's easy to erase later. They don't stay on the fabric. Take it easy on the curve. If you've done it like multiple times, yeah, you can go faster if you like. I think I should make a little notch here so I can navigate it. One thing I noticed, and I think you noticed too, is that factory jeans are they have like a straighter crotch curve. Most jeans manufacturers do it that way. I noticed. You noticed that too, I think. In comparison with slacks or trousers or formal pants, which tend to have a curvier crotch line. The jeans are made in a way that the crotch are quite straight. Take a look at your jeans and you'll see what I'm talking about. I think with this one I need like a trouser type crotch curve. Well, I'm gonna modify it later anyway. After this, I'm going to attach the fly extension to other end or the other side of the zip tape. Yeah, definitely I'm going to modify that part. It has to be a straighter. I'm cleaning up the mess here. So that's our fly extension. Oops, I lost my thread. Oh, I think I know why. I forgot to make sure that my take up lever is in its highest position. My mistake. Well, you know, people make mistakes. So I just try to insert the thread again. Maybe we get lucky with one try. Oh yes, great. Nice. Okay, I'm going to attach the zip to the left side of the pants, the left leg. It has a 2 centimeter allowance. I'm going to nip the crotch here at the 1 centimeter mark and fold 1 centimeter from the edge. I made it so because you know, it gives the fly left and right to you know, cover the actual zip tape so it doesn't show. So the right leg has a 2 centimeter allowance and the left leg has a 1 centimeter allowance. Okay, lift the foot, pull the zipper pull up. So off camera, before I attach the right leg, I switched to zipper foot, which I should have done at the outset, but you know, well, it's never too late. Okay, I'm going to do the top stitching on the crotch. And the crotch has a like a modified flat fell seam. I put a pin so to mark the spot where I will stop stitching and pivoting. This pin is right below the metal tooth or teeth of the zipper, because I don't want to stitch over the metal part of the zipper. It's not good for the needle, not good for the machine. Pivot and then do my quarter inch double row. Yeah, I'm not in a rush, so I don't so at the high speed. There you go. All we need is the bar tacks. Great. Doesn't look bad. Good. Nice.